what's going on, guys? Ooh, that's a nice sun flare right here. Anyway, today I just want to talk to you guys about, I cannot believe why did I wait so long and discover this. This is the PEAK Design Everyday Sling, the 6-liter one, and I'm gonna tell you why it's awesome about it, the pros and cons, and why I choose this one over the 3L or the 10L. So let's go. So we're gonna go over the sizes that they have from the 3L, 6L, which is this one, and 10L. So depending on the size and the usage that you use, you have 3 choices to choose from for your everyday slings. So next up, we're gonna talk about the build quality. I've been using this for almost like 1 or 2 weeks now. I gotta say, I do like the material inside outside, and it's a bit rough. Say with the also weatherproof construction, it's really doable. So for everyday use, whether you know in the rain, glad they actually spend a little bit on the durability. And of course, with coming like a strong material, it does add a few extra weight. So just watch out for that. Say if you do use their capture clip, which the V1, V2 that they made before. It is really awesome for quick release for your cameras and other gears. Now you have the benefit of both sides. If you see this side, it's actually clip number 1 here and clip number 2 here. Alright, so next up, let's talk about the FLEXFOLD organizer. So we're gonna start with the divider. So very regular standard. So this is like the divider mode, so you can like divide your stuff like that. And then we have shelf, which is like this. You peel one side down, because actually in 6L come with 2 of these, so you can have like a bridge kind of sort, so you can have 2 layers at the top and bottom. And finally you have pass-through, which is complete like this, so way more durable. But you know what, you have like 3 modes to choose from, so completely up to you. Okay, so before I show you my loadout, here's some of the clips that I have tested with various camera. So starting off, we got the Sony A7 III, which is still very compact even with a stock lens with the zoom. So pretty incredible. You can see on the left hand side the whole body itself. On the right hand side you got put tons of lenses. Next up, we got the A7C, even way more compact. Definitely put more than 3 or 4 lenses that if you want. We got the Nikon Z5, still the same thing as well with the Z50. Finally, we got the Canon R. A few cameras that I have tested. You can see that it got tons of room to put whatever that you needed. Alright, so here we go, the moment that hopefully everyone's waiting for. This is my loadout. I try to go with the minimalist as I can. I don't want to carry way too much stuff. So you can see in the previous video, you got the Mini 3 Pro. Definitely one of my favorite travel drone in 2022. It is just, it's insane. To see my full video, click in the link, I think right here. And of course, you cannot forget the RC combo. It is really convenient. Press of a button and it's on right away. Also, constant brightness, so important. Screwdriver, so very nice because inside the side pocket. I'll show you the inside later. For the GoPro mount I'm using right now, the battery. Luckily, the Mini 3 or about the Fly More kits come with the 1 battery already, but getting a Fly More kits as well right here. If only GoPro company can sell GoPro come like this. The Enduro battery, so incredible. Cannot wait for the Vancouver's winter time to go Whistler to test it out. But yeah, Enduro batteries. What I love about the design, that you think that the inside is not enough space for you, that's okay, because PEAK Design, think about this, it's called the cork hook system. So actually a clip itself, so you see right here, all you have to do come with 2 of them, and each have a hook, and you can hear loud clip, click. That's hooked. And here at the bottom you can put, let's say, you know, they say on the website you can put your raincoat, water bottle, even tripod right here like this, so you can carry it like that. Very sturdy. I'm gonna show you how I do my loadout. So we got the Mini 3 Pro right here, and with the RC, we put it against it right here so it doesn't scratch it. I did a little modifier, so I can actually put the GoPro itself, slide it in there, fit perfectly. Behind here is actually pretty awesome hidden flap. You can put it right here, so you see, doesn't get in the way. You got the screwdriver. They actually come with 2 little side pockets right here. So 1 over here, you can see it, 1 over here. You got the Mini 3 Pro battery 1, Pro battery 2. Finally, the Enduro battery as well. And I'm so sorry I forgot to show you guys this clip. So after done recording, here's the mic, and then here's the GoPro Volta. So this is what it looks like behind it. But of course, I have to show you some unnecessary but pretty cool 360 drone shot of this backpack. So let's go. And here we actually have strap here as well, so you can tighten it by pulling down or loosen it pulling up again, and it go longer and again tight. Now if you think it's too long or too tight, here's actually the straps. You can see right here, right here. You can actually tuck it in the back behind here, because you see original is like this. I don't like this like flappy outside, so you can tuck it behind here and it is nice and clean. Then you can actually wear it as a fanny pack mode, so I'm going to show you how. Here you have a swivel clip, press it down and like that. Now it's off into the slot right here. This is the 6L version. So yeah, that is the fanny pack mode. And of course, all the items I used today will be linked in the description below, so make sure to check that out. So you know how good music make or break your video, which is really important, especially if you're doing an intro, outro. And what I use is actually called the Epidemic Sound. Now I love about it because like I was saying previously before, they have so many music to choose from. So make sure to click that link below to sign up for 2 months of free trial. Now this has been my Peak Design Everyday Sling, 6 liters, my loadout, my impression and setup, etc. Reason why I picked the 3L, because here's a clip of it. I tried to put the Mini 3 with the RC, which is already maximum already. If you were to get the Mini 2 with the regular small controller, then it'll be okay. So I didn't pick the 10L because I already have the Gen 1 10L, but the issue is it's way too big, and when I'm on traveling, I'm like, ooh, it's a bit bulky. That's the reason why I picked the 6L right here. It's such a great bag for a drone bag too. So if you're on market looking for your Mini 3 Pro that's also good looking, very durable, weatherproof construction, and many other more, I'll say check out the Peak Design 6 liter. I'll put the product link in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get my latest video. Any question at all, make sure to drop in the comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!